Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most talked about protein powders on the market, the Premier Protein Powder in chocolate milkshake flavor. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. This protein powder is made by Premier Protein, a brand known for their ready-to-drink shakes. This particular tub gives you 30 grams of protein per serving, and it's made with 100% whey protein. It also contains only 1 gram of sugar, 150 calories, and is low in fat, making it ideal for anyone looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just stay on top of their nutrition. Let's talk about the taste, and I have to say, it really does live up to its name. The chocolate milkshake flavor is smooth, rich, and not overly sweet. It mixes well with both water and milk, and there are no clumps if you shake it properly. Perfect for a post-workout shake or even a breakfast smoothie. Each scoop delivers a solid amino acid profile, including branched-chain amino acids BCAAs to support muscle recovery. It's also gluten-free and contains no soy ingredients, which is a big plus for people with sensitivities. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone trying to stay healthy, Premier Protein Powder is a solid choice. It's budget-friendly, available in most stores and online, and tastes great without compromising on nutrition. To sum it up, great taste, clean ingredients, and serious protein power in every scoop. If you are looking for a reliable protein powder that doesn't break the bank, definitely check out Premier Protein's chocolate milkshake flavor. White right pointing backhand index, hit the like button if this review helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips, reviews, and nutrition guides every week. Got a favorite protein powder? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to try it out next.